Why did my husband buy an ugly bird? One day, my husband came back from work and he had this shoebox. When I opened it, I saw an ugly bird. Sorry, I'm just being honest and judgmental. Such an ugly bird. The feathers were dull, the wings were clipped too short by the previous owner. He looked malnourished. He looked fragile yet aggressive. Was my husband antagonizing me of bringing this bird? Was he insane? Was he blind? Isn't it that when we envision to have a pet, we want the pet to be almost perfect? No defect, no issues. We want a pet that would bring us joy, happiness, companionship, and comfort. We want a pet that everyone would love to have it. Not the kind of a pet that my husband brought home. I was so unimpressed, angry at him. But he just simply said that he likes the bird and I'll give him time and he'll be fine. Hell no. After a few days, I googled Lucky. We named him Lucky. Lucky's personality. And what I found out that Lucky probably was a victim of abuse and neglect by or from his previous owner. I was so ashamed of myself. Why I haven't thought of it. Why I was quick to jump into conclusion that Lucky is an ugly bird. Yes, Lucky's ugly if I am just going to use my eyes. But if I'm going to open my heart, Lucky is a beautiful bird. He is a strong and brave bird. He surpasses all the struggles, all the bad experiences he may have had in the past. Lucky is smart. He can mimic. He sings a song, this silly song that I've composed. He has his unique way of showing us love or his affection. He comforted us when we lost one of our birds. And he is now reciprocating affection. There are still struggles though, as I am not a pro in handling bird with behavioral issues, so I'm very patient and using trial and error in the strategies that I am using to him, which one is effective and which one is not. But one thing I'm for sure that Lucky is a bundle of joy for us. Lucky taught me a valuable lesson, not to jump into a quick conclusion based solely on what my eyes can see, but rather open my heart and it would make a difference. It's getting hot. Come on, baby. Boy. Come on. Don't attack mommy. No, no, no. Lucky, Lucky. No, no. Lucky. Stop it. Lucky boy. Good boy. Good boy. What's wrong? It's very hot. Come on. Have a rest. Kiss mommy. Good boy, my little kid. Good. Come on. you. Come to mommy. Good boy, my looky good. Good boy. That's my looky good. You're singing. Smells good. It smells good, huh? It smells good. Oops, don't bite mommy. Don't bite mommy. Don't bite mommy. Yeah, you good boy. Yes, looky good boy. Yes, you are. You are a good boy. Come, neck rub. Wanna have a neck rub? No, look, it's such a cutie. Huh? You gonna have a neck rub? Oh, so silky. Yes, looky boy. See, looky cool. See, looky cool, naughty. See, looky cool. See, looky cool. See, looky cool, naughty. See, looky cool, cutie. See, looky cool, cutie. See, looky cool. See, looky cool. See, looky cool, cutie.